Shenzhen Zhuomao Technology Company Limited. As the first professional smart welding and smart inspection equipment manufacturing enterprise, has been committed to the global electronics industry to provide advanced products and comprehensive quality services. As one of the national high-tech enterprise of R&D, production and sales. Since its establishment in 2005, with strong technical force, high-efficient management, and a perfect sales system, by introducing and absorbing domestic foreign advanced technology and continuously improve products quality, make ourselves excellent in the multifunctional BGA Rework equipment, X-ray inspection equipment, laser welding equipment, automatic tin equipment, non-standard automation equipment, and other fields. We have achieved splendid accomplishment. We upgraded ourselves in the industry of BGA Rework equipment and peripheral accessory equipment. Zhuomao win the trust and support of our customers and seize the era opportunity, writing legendary chapters of rapid industry development. Technology is productivity with its own stable quality, advanced technology, and good after-sales service. Seamark Zhuomao have won a good reputation and become the industry leader. In multifunctional BGA Rework equipment product series 7810, high-precision optical BGA Rework Station, A650, high automatic visual BGA Rework Station, A650, fully automatic visual BGA Rework Station. In the electronics industry, X-ray inspection equipment product line 7600, 6600. In the field of laser repair equipment, laser repair machine L80. In the field of non-standard automation equipment, automatic tin machine, automatic soldering machine, and other models particularly prominent, with high precision, high quality, professional design idea, testing from raw material to finished goods. All procedures are controlled according to ISO requirements and standards of strict military industry to ensure the high quality of each component and the machine stability and durability, mainly for high precision, high complexity, high reliability testing, repair, welding, repair, and other process requirements, greatly improving customer productivity and cost-effective control. Continuous innovation and development. Zhuomao products have won a good reputation and a strong market share. Zhuomao reduces costs, enhances the value for clients, at the same time creates a broad space for self-development. Through continuous technical innovation and development, Zhuomao has become a national high-tech enterprise, Shenzhen well-known brands, Guangdong Provincial Electronics Institute member companies, the Ministry of Commerce Integrity AAA Authentication, CCTV network advertising partners. The product was awarded the intention and utility model patents and more than 100 honor certificates. Through the strict production quality control, full range of products have passed CE and ISO 9001 International Quality System certification and self-developed software certification, etc. Strong technical force, honest business philosophy, quality service reputation, showing Seamark Zhuomao technology vitality and grand blueprint. Zhuomao Technology devote itself to study, good governance under the leadership of Mr. Wen Chuan. Adhere to applicable meritocracy, create a people-oriented first-class team, fully authorized but without abstention management model, focus on staff training that allows employees to maximize potential and dedication work. With company development continues to expand, humane management system, and the building for core value corporate culture to achieve the enterprise and employees maximize the value of win-win benefits. Since the company was founded, we rely on powerful strength, good prestige, strict quality management, and high-quality after-sales service. When the approval and support of users, Seamark Zhuomao adheres to customer centrist, uphold the business philosophy of professional, innovation, integrity, continuously improve service quality. Nowadays, with rapid development of the community, in order to provide efficient and convenient service to domestic customers, the company has set up offices in Beijing, Chengdu, Suzhou, and Wuhan, established a sound and stable network. The company uses the international marketing network, overseas sales and service centers, platform to expand the international market. The products are exported to more than 190 countries worldwide already. Excellent product quality, good sales platform, and a perfect service network has helped to build Zhuomao's brand. Zhuomao staff will continue to uphold the integrity, mutual benefit, customer satisfaction, grow together, and the core values of enterprise development concept. Zhuomao will become the world's top-class smart welding and smart inspection equipment supplier.